Welcome back to A Car Chaser, where today we're diving into a truly remarkable masterpiece, the 2025 Rolls Royce Cullinan by Mansory. This collaboration brings the pinnacle of luxury and performance together in a way that only Rolls Royce and Mansory can do. So buckle up, because we're about to explore everything you need to know about this breathtaking vehicle. Let's start with the basics. The Rolls Royce Cullinan, known for being one of the most luxurious SUVs on the market, gets a stunning transformation by Mansory, a name synonymous with high-end customizations. The 2025 model takes this iconic SUV to a new level with some of the most sophisticated design elements you'll ever see. The first thing that hits you when you lay eyes on the 2025 Cullinan is the unmistakable Mansory touch. From the custom front grille to the aggressive body kit, everything about this vehicle exudes power and elegance. The front fascia is sharp, with a more pronounced, sculpted look that enhances the vehicle's already commanding presence on the road. The grille, finished in a rich dark chrome, not only elevates the luxury feel, but also adds a sportier edge to the Cullinan's design. Moving to the side, Mansory has worked their magic on the bodywork with wider fenders and sleek side skirts. The Cullinan, though already large and imposing, now looks even more muscular and dynamic, reflecting a design philosophy that doesn't just say luxury, but also power. The high-gloss carbon fiber elements, including the rear diffuser and side mirror caps, contrast beautifully with the deep paintwork, adding an extra layer of sophistication to this already opulent vehicle. Now, let's talk about the wheels. Mansory has gone for a custom, multi-spoke design that perfectly complements the Cullinan's larger-than-life stance. These wheels are not just for show, they're forged, lightweight, and designed to handle the immense power that this SUV now delivers. Speaking of power, under the hood, the Mansory Cullinan gets an upgrade that takes its performance to an entirely new level. The V12 engine has been tuned for even more power, pushing the SUV to around 600 horsepower. This might seem like a subtle increase, but it's enough to provide a noticeable boost in acceleration and handling, making this luxury SUV feel surprisingly agile and responsive for its size. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Rolls Royce Cullinan by Mansory doesn't disappoint. The luxurious atmosphere is taken to an entirely new level with bespoke leather upholstery, custom embroidery, and even more carbon fiber accents. Mansory has outfitted the interior with materials that are both opulent and functional, offering an ambience that's both calming and exhilarating. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the back seat, the cabin exudes the kind of comfort and elegance that Rolls-Royce is famous for, but with a more daring, bespoke twist courtesy of Mansory. One of the most jaw-dropping features of this car is the customization options available. From personalized stitching to unique color combinations and even wood finishes, Mansory gives you the freedom to truly make this Cullinan your own. The attention to detail in the interior is second to none, with every surface thoughtfully crafted to ensure that this SUV doesn't just look good, it feels incredible. And then there's the technology. While the standard Rolls-Royce tech is already top tier, Mansory enhances it with additional features designed for the ultimate in comfort and convenience. The infotainment system is seamless and intuitive, while sound systems and connectivity options are upgraded to ensure that whether you're cruising through the city or out on the open road, the experience is always nothing short of extraordinary. Now, for the price, you can imagine that a luxury SUV like this doesn't come cheap. The base Rolls Royce Cullinan starts at over $350,000, and with Mansory's customizations, you're looking at an additional cost that can easily push the price into the seven-figure range. But for those who demand the very best in both performance and luxury, the 2025 Rolls Royce Cullinan by Mansory is an investment in a statement. So, what do you think of the 2025 Rolls Royce Cullinan by Mansory? Does it take this already stunning SUV to the next level? Or do you think the classic Rolls-Royce design was enough? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to A Car Chaser, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more car content like this. Until next time, I'm your host, and I'll see you on the next ride.